Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Children's, in the part 1 and part 2, we studied about the first unit. Yes or no? Yeah, first unit, what is that? Source of medieval India. In this one, we finished our book activities. Our book activities. From till where we finish, straight true or false. Now you take the page number 108. 100 and see page number 8. Match the statement with the reason. Tick the approximate answer. See this side. In this one, first one answer is A. First one answer is A. Second one answer is. Now find out the wrong pair. Third one. Find out the wrong pair is third one. Next C means find out the odd one, third one. Okay, the Roman letter 5. Third one is find out the odd one, which will come travel ages. See, inscription, monuments, coins, we can get some evidence, yes, but travel ages came from one place to another place. So that is the odd one. Okay, children, did you mark? Okay. Now answer grid 109, page number 109. Answer grid. Dash was a Kotar of Empire Aurangzeb. Kafi Khan. Second one, Tiruvalangadu coppers plates belong to Rajendra Sola I. Rajendra Sola I. Third one, Dash was the land for the maintenance of the school. Shalobaya. Salaboha. Salaboha. Fourth one, Dash compiled Periya Puranam. Shakespeare. Fifth one, Dash is an Arabic word meaning history. Tariq. Sixth one, Muhammad bin Tughlaq transferred his capital from Delhi to Devagiri in the south. Only 6 is there, write it fast. Did you finish, ma? Okay, now all of you take your social class. Answer the following in one or two sentences. See, this is the first lesson. You write the heading. What the heading you want to write? First lesson unit name. What is that, ma? Sources of medieval India. History, unit 1. Write the topic of these lessons and come to the next line and write. Answer the following in one or two sentences. First question, who compiled Nalayariya Divya Pramanandam? Who compiled? Nandamuni. Only 3 questions here, but next page it will come, okay? Write fast, children. Write. Write it fast. Write neatly also. Okay, children. If you finished one questions, leave one line and write second questions. Okay, then only it will looks good. You are writing with the pen only. Don't write with your pencil. Okay, you want to write with the pen only. Be careful, your handwriting should be neat. I am watching some students from here, so don't play. Do your work, children. Write fast. Okay, now we will write fourth question. Okay, see, take your book, keep it in front of you, put numbers. Okay, 1 2 3, 3 questions we finished. Now we are going to write the fourth question. Name the two different types of sources for the study of history. Two sources are there, primary source and secondary sources. Fifth question, list out the important mosaic and forts constructed during the medieval times. Okay, see and write. 3 questions we wrote. Now we are going to write fourth, fifth and sixth. Write fast, children. Write fast, children. Every question, each question you want to leave one line. Okay, okay, children. Write it fast. Do fast. Write clearly. Write neatly. Keep your note always clean. Okay, now you write, answer the following details. Answer the following details. Describe the different types of coins introduced by the rulers of Delhi Sultan. See, in the first one, the rulers of the Delhi Sultan introduced different types of coins. Okay, that O is the, don't think I cut it that one and wrote here. Okay, of coins. And third point also like that only. The coins gives us information on the economic condition of the empire. Okay. Right, children. 6 points are there. Put the stars or otherwise writes the points. Okay. Only one question. Detail, only one question is there. How many points you wrote, children? 3? No. Right. All of you right. Okay, all of you take your homework note. See, that day I gave the 4 only filling the blanks. Yes, the answer I gave here. First one answer is Muhammad Gori. Second answer is 3.6 grains. Third point is Divya Pramanandam. Fourth one is Chola period. If you done mistakes, you can correct it. Did you correct, children? Okay, now I'm giving homework to you. Okay, today homework is only 5. Write it this 5 one. First one in the back is a Arabic word meaning. The bucket is Akbari authored by dash. Third one Marco Polo is a dash traveler. Fourth one sources are classified and dash sources. Fifth one dash tells us about the practice of sati in India. I give the time to you to write. Write it fast. 5 minutes I will give to you. Okay. For each one you can write within 1 minute. Yes or no? Yeah, write it fast. Children, you want to find this answer from the book only. Whatever I taught, from that only I'm asking the questions from the book only. Okay. So you find and write. While you come to the school, I will check your answers. Okay. Because I giving the answers to again to you for correctioning. If you not corrected that answer, see, be careful. Now you are studying 7th standard. So please don't play. Concentrate in your studies. Okay, children? Always keep your hand clean, children. Wear mask. If you go anywhere, be careful. Our corona period, we are living in the corona period, yes. So be careful. Obey your parent always. I'm saying to you, obey your parents. So they will say anything to you means that is good for your life. Okay. So obey your parent. Daily pray with your God. Then only God will protect from others diseases. Yes or no? Yeah. So my children will obey my word. Daily you pray to your God, obey your parents, wear mask, keep your hand clean, drink more water. Okay, drink more water. Thank you, children. We will meet in the next video.